We'll start off by uploading our logo. You can do so by going to the top left-hand corner and click to add your logo, or we can go in through the Account Settings tab underneath the funeral home information. You'll click Upload New Imprint, and by clicking either of these, it's going to pull directly from your computer files. We'll upload this as an image, and it will automatically populate for each of your stationery items. This is a one-time upload, so you don't have to worry about doing this step repeatedly. We'll go ahead and save. And now, once we go back to the home screen, you'll see the logo that we just uploaded.